Let's take a look at the latest trades in the portfolios. These are our core 5 strategies. The one trade that we have today is Grains Day Trader 3. Yesterday we got stopped out. We had a long trade, got stopped out before the report near the lows, and so it's always disappointing to see a situation where you got stopped out near the lows and then the market just has a huge rally. But today there was a gap down and follow through, so up 812.50 intraday so far. That trade yesterday was minus 375, and so we cut our losses, we ride our winners. This trade is still open, and about an hour left to go in this grain session today as we speak. And that's the core 5, the bonus strategies in the portfolios. We had a crude oil inventories report this week. Let's see here. And we got stopped out in reverse. We talked about that earlier. We're just going over the latest trades here real quickly in this video. I have an update for this in NinjaTrader 7 and 8, and so I'll make that in a separate video after this. After hours, interesting trade, came within 2 ticks of being stopped out and rallied and hit our profit target. So it's easy to think that your stops are always run, and you tend to remember those situations where your stop was run, like in the soybeans trade yesterday. But you also have to remember that in order to not be biased in trading, that this one came within 2 ticks and it hit the profit target. So you have to remember the good along with the bad, and in trading sometimes it's easier to remember all the times you got stopped out at the lows and not remember the times that it went in your favor. And Tick Pulse markets have been really choppy. It's been challenging to make money with Tick Pulse this month. It's been slow, and Monday's a holiday. I have more information about that next as well. And so you see Tick Pulse short and then long yesterday. It's been doing a lot of sell and then rally, sell and then rally, and so in a very narrow range with I mean, just really paltry month so far. And then Monday's a holiday, so we keep waiting for this market to pick up steam. We have earnings starting and the inauguration starting next week. Earnings start today and inauguration next week. So there is a lot of potential for nice trends and movements in the market still. I find that a lot of times you have to stay with the strategy and not judge it, early in the month. And so taking a look at the other strategies in 50K and 100K portfolio, the grain soybean meal swing is long today, up 890. So the grains have really been good today so far intraday. This could reverse, anything can happen intraday. This is a swing trade strategy. Soybean meal does exit on Friday, and so this is a good diversity for a portfolio. There's some nice end of week winners if these prices hold. And so that'll be nice to have the weekly results coming out this weekend for the portfolios. But Monday is a holiday, Martin Luther King Jr. holiday on Monday. The stock market is closed. The futures will trade. We'll have price data, but I don't anticipate much price actions. We don't trade on days when the stock market is closed. Even when the stock market is closed, sometimes the futures are open depending on the holiday. And on Monday, that's one of those days where the market is open part of the day. The futures are open part of the day, but the stock market is closed. And so I've created some new blogs on my website this week, and you can find it under more. And video blog is the one where I post most of these videos. And then FAQs and downloads for Tradestation, FAQs and downloads for NinjaTrader are what I've created. And this gives you the latest on the Don't Trade on Holiday function. So you have to click on this when you go to this. There will be additional blogs added where I have many more FAQs to add to this newly formatted site. You have to click on the link there to get this. You can download the latest Don't Trade on Holiday function, and you can see the latest, the previous blog post that explains everything. That goes into greater detail. But you want to bookmark this and always download this for the holidays. Make sure you have that. I send that out with the updates, but if you want to make sure you got it, you can download it. Here is open code. This function is just a simple function of dates, and this link right here has a video to tell you how to use it. For NinjaTrader, you go to FAQs and downloads for NinjaTrader, and you have to click on this link once again, and this explains on how to install it for NinjaTrader 7 and 8. And this is the original blog post for NinjaTrader. So it includes an example as well. So those are the updates for today for the portfolios, and Monday's a holiday, so keep that in mind. Make sure you have the latest Don't Trade on Holiday functions by going into these FAQs depending on your platform. And let me know if you have any questions on that. We're making another video today for crude oil weekly inventories updates.